In this video, we will understand importance of vocabulary and how vocabulary plays very important role in various competitive exams. Okay, vocabulary plays very important role in scoring good marks in English section of various competitive exams like IELTS and lot of other exams that you can improve if you work in the right direction upon it. How to prepare English for competitive exams? To efficiently increase your vocabulary, you should read English newspaper regularly, whether it is online or offline. Read novels, watch English episodes, and try to use new words. Remember, note down difficult words and bring them in usage. In this video, we are going to learn about vocabulary and various activities related to vocabulary. Okay, for example, activity 1, general vocabulary, which is based on changes. Look at the pair of sentences and choose the verb from the box which can be used with sentences. Okay. Activity 2, contrast and comparison. Complete these sentences with the most appropriate words or expression from option given below. Okay. For example, the two machines dash considerably. One has an electric motor, the other runs on oil. Options are differ, differentiate, differential. Select appropriate option. All these activities answers are given at the end of activities. Activity 3, focusing attention. Rearrange the letter in bold to form words which are used to focus attention on something. The topic is focusing attention on something. All the letters are ending with ly. Write the words in the grid underneath. Here given the grid. Okay, you can see the picture of the grid. If you do it correctly, you will find another word used to focus attention in the bold vertical box. Okay. Activity 4 is based on misunderstanding. Complete sentence with an appropriate word or expression from the box. In some cases, more than one answer is possible. So you have to select proper appropriate verb from the option below. For example, she was dashed by the journalist questions. Okay, so you can select the proper option related to this question and you can check the answers. Answers are all given after completion of activities. Activity 5, opposites. Replace the word in bold in the sentence with a word from a box which has an opposite meaning. You have to read carefully the word, okay, and you have to apply the opposite of that word. So here you will improve your vocabulary with the help of word and its opposite. Okay. Activity 6, confusing words and false friends. Confusing words are two or more words which have similar meaning to each other but are used in a different way. Okay, like homophones. Another topic is false friends. False friends are words in English which have similar looking word in another language but which have different meaning. Okay. In this activity, what you have to do, complete the following sentences with the appropriate word. you will get two options, and you have to apply, you have to read the sentence very carefully and apply appropriate word for that blank. Activity 7, verbs and pronouns galore. You have to draw a circle around 10 verbs and a box around 10 pronouns in the list below. Each correct answer is worth 5 points. Write your score in the space below. Okay. Activity 8, spelling the plurals. Write the correct plural of each of these 24 words below in the correct space within the crossword puzzle. You can draw the crossword puzzles or you can write down the answers and check your answers. Okay. Activity 9, misspellings. The words listed are misspelled. Spell each misspelled word correctly by writing the answers in the appropriate spaces. In this activity, your spelling skills will improve. Activity 10, crime and the law. Match the words and expression in the box with their correct definition. You are given in the next slide definition, and you have to select the appropriate word related to that definition. Here your vocabulary related to crime and the law will improve.